Welcome friends. In this tutorial, we will be learning about the interface in Adobe Edge. At the left hand side, you'll find Open File option. Using this, you can open any existing Adobe Edge project. Here is Create New Project option. From this, you can create a new project. All your recent work will be listed in Recent Files. At the right hand side, we are in the Getting Started tab. Here it will provide some Edge Animate with in-app lessons like Quick Start, Creation, Animation, Resize, Extend and Reuse. In the key features, all the new features in the latest version of the program is listed. In resources, you'll find several resources like Edge Animate help and tutorials and some other community stuff. So for getting more familiar with the interface, we will create a new project. You will find this classic Adobe interface. This is the property panel. When we select any object or element, all the properties of that particular object or element will be listed here. We can then manipulate and edit those properties. This is called staging area. As you can see, the name of this is Untitled1.html. That means this will be how our project look like, and most of the time we will be working on this area. Then there are elements of our HTML file, and libraries like assets, symbols and fonts are given here. This is the staging area where we will create the animation, and this is the lessons tab. For now, we will close this one, and so we'll resize it and we will select the Elements tab. So this is the basic user interface we will be working with most of the time. Thank you.